welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we're going to be doing a fun jump video. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a jump called the Mazurka. Now, the Mazurka is a really neat half rotation jump. We used to see a lot of it a couple decades ago, but we don't see it so much anymore. I thought it'd be really fun to introduce this jump to you. It enters like a toe loop, but exits like a tap toe jump. So you probably want to work on that toe loop and work on that tap toe jump, or you can work on a backward outside pivot. They both have the same idea. So I'll put a couple of links down below that I think might be helpful in learning this jump, and you can check those out. They kind of support doing this jump well. But we're going to get started with this one. The first thing you're going to want to be able to do is a right forward inside three turn. Now that's for those right-handed people. If you're left-handed, you're going to want a left forward inside three turn. But let's get started with it right-handed. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to do it that way. So I have that right forward inside three turn as my beginning. From that, I am going to reach my free leg, that's my left leg, around and tap behind myself in a crisscross. This is where that back outside pivot is helpful because this motion is a lot like that back outside pivot. So we're going to have that right inside three turn, reach around and pivot. Okay, so that is basically the entrance to both a toe loop and a Mazurka jump, and you want to practice that. The other aspect you want is that tap toe jump. But for this tap toe jump, we're actually going to crisscross. So I'm going to reach out with my left toe, crisscross my right, land on that right, and then step out. So we're doing a sort of a crisscrossed tap toe jump. Tap, crisscross, tap, glide. Okay, so that's a little bit different than your normal tap toe jump, and we're going to use that in our Mazurka. So tap, crisscross, tap, glide. So now we're going to combine that three turn pivot and that crisscrossing tap toe together to have our Mazurka. So I have my right inside three turn. I'm going to tap crisscrossed, do that little pivot motion, jump and glide. So let me do that again going this way. So I have inside three turn, tap in a crisscross. Now this is the first motion of that tap toe. Remember that tap toe starts with that left. So this is that first motion. I'm facing away from my foot, my legs are crossed. Okay, so I have that tap behind me. I'm going to slide my right through, jump over to that toe, and then step out. So that sliding through is very much like the toe loop. We're going tap, slide, jump over to that toe, and then step out. So we have the legs. Let's talk about the upper body, because the upper body is always just as important in skating. First off, whenever you jump, I want that strong core, and I want you to think about lifting your upper body off of your lower body. Whether it is a tap toe jump and you're lifting, a bunny hop, a triple axel, you always want to lift that core up so that your upper body is making your lower body have less work to do, okay? So strong, engaged core. So in our three turn, we're going to start with our right hand in front, because that way we're facing that circle that we're creating, right? So we always face inside of our circle on a forward three turn. So right leg on our three turn, right hand in front. But then I'm going to check. So now I'm looking at my left hand, okay? If you were just practicing a three turn on its own, that is what your arms would do, okay? So this is not different than your standard three turn. All we're doing is really locking those muscles in so that it can help support the jump. So we have right to left, okay? So now we're in our left tap toe is tapped, our left hand is in front. We're going to bring that left hand out and reach with it as we jump, okay? So we're in a scissor position. Our hands are out, we're looking up and over towards that left hand. We've got that strong arm, and our feet are crossed in the air like this. Okay, so we've tapped and we're going cross. Okay, so the only time the right hand's in front is at the beginning of the 3 turn. Right hand, left hand, we follow that left hand around through the whole remainder of the jump. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed this video. The Mazurka jump is one we don't see very much anymore, but it's a really fun jump and something that more beginner skaters can tackle, right? It doesn't have that full rotation in the air. So if you want a new jump, but you're not ready for those full rotation jumps, this one is great. I hope to see all your videos on Instagram. Make sure you tag me at Skating Coach Julia so I can see all your Mazurka videos. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I'm looking forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.